Guys, Kevin, Blind Luck Mechanic down here in the shop today. We're going to take the Gangster on a little bit of a cruise. So I'm going to unload the stuff out of the back of it. I'm going to try to do it one-handed while I vajayo. You get to hear me grunt, and I'm sure y'all will get dizzy as I'll get out. Me whooping this camera around. One tire out. What else we got back here? Trash bag, that needs to come out. Interior piece, definitely need to come out. Blowout going down the road. We're doing 300 miles an hour. Broke tripod. Still need to fix that. Oh, that's the programmer to the light bar that's up there. Y'all don't know about that. I don't know, maybe y'all have seen it in a video, but let me show it to you. I bet it's up there all crooked, cracked. Oh, certainly it is. Yeah, is it even up there? Yeah, it's up there. Yeah, it's far off over that way. Bought a light bar for it. Have this idea that I'm gonna turn this into a theme truck. Forever, I've had the idea of, y'all let me know what y'all think. Either leaving it all white and putting door decals on it that, I don't know how to word that, mimic, I'll just say they mimic stars. Badges, maybe. And then just having a light bar for looks. I don't even care if the light bar works. This one happens to work. It's not the light bar I wanted, but it's the light bar I could afford. So, oh yeah, back on tire. Let me go over and get this other tire. But yeah, either putting badges on the door of it and leaving it all white, but I'd really like to paint the cab of it black. So white bed, black cab, white front end, put badges on the doors, maybe some kind of badges on the fenders or on the bed of the truck, like I like vehicle number, and then put the, make up some kind of cool vehicle number to put on the side of the bed or on the side of the fender. Not really looked into it as far as what old school, hold on, gotta focus. As far as what old school cop cars had. So, y'all let me know some ideas of what old school cop cars had. Either, I don't know, like vehicle number, like right there on the fender, and then something, or again, like vehicle number, or model, no, not model number, vehicle ID number, and then make up some kind of number. But definitely badges on the door. Again, found some, but I don't want to give it away what they say. They don't really say what I want them to say, but it's a bit of a gray area, I do believe. I believe you can, of course, make something look like a cop car as long as you don't try to use it like a cop car. So as long as I don't try to pull anybody over, and I don't intend for that, I just want it to kind of look the part. So as long as you just have the pieces on there and don't actually try to pull anybody over, and we're not going to pull anybody over, we're not going to use the light bar on the road. It's going to be at car shows and racing events only. So, oh yeah, I do have to go over here and get that light bar off there, and that's going to be a task because it has some super strong magnets. Especially it's going to be a task one-handed. Oh, and there's a box up there I didn't know about. Let me set this down here, then I don't know what that is. That's my fuel cell. kick and ride back there. It's a 1 gallon fuel cell for nitrous applications. Okay. Snag this wiring. Okay, there we are. Everything's unloaded as long as there's nothing in the cab of the truck. I believe I cleaned it out the other day. Let's see. Driver's seat's good. Ooh, passenger seat is not good. Let's go over there and clear that out and investigate what we got. I ain't worried about the fuel cell. It's heavy enough. It can ride back there. Let's see what's in these box cells. That's just the box. My valve covers came in, I believe, yeah. This box is... I don't know what this box is. Anyways, we're gonna throw it out. There it is. Let's see what else we got in here. That appears to be it besides the regular old rigmarole. But I'm gonna end it off there, and peace, and we'll get at y'all later.